During calamities, the electricity in some areas is temporarily shut off. Once power is restored, caution must be taken when using power outlets and water-soaked appliances.
Like for example, itong outlet na to, since nalubog siya sa baha and yung tubo niya is pababa, which is sa ground dumaan, so may chances na yung PVC pipe niya, mayroon siyang deposit na tubig. So ang problema doon is yung integrity ng wiring mo is questionable dahil may tubig yun eh. Konting talop lang dun sa wire. So, pwede nang magkaroon ng ground yung wiring mo.
In general, all flood-damaged electronic appliances must be cleaned and dried before use.
Well, yung mga ganitong TV na usually na nalubog sa baha at nalubog sa putik, kung buo siya na lubog sa putik, actually, gagana pa rin siya. Ang kailangan lang is malinis siya kaagad. Kasi once na nagsettle yung mga tubig at putik dun sa loob, pwedeng magkaroon ng corrosion dun sa mga parts, like yung mga electronic parts niya.
Refrigerators must be disinfected right away and air-dried for about a month. Unfortunately, computers submerged in water are usually unsalvageable, but it is possible to save the data stored on the hard drive.
Kung magre-retrieve ng file, actually, ang kailangan niyan is talagang professional data recovery. Kasi unang-una, kung magbubukas ka ng hard disk, kailangan mo ng clean room. Yung clean room na yun is controlled environment na as in talagang yung dust is as in zero.
To be sure, it is best to bring all flood-damaged electronic appliances to the professionals for repair.